So, what is computing? Computing is the act of giving an input to a computer, processing it, and producing an output. For example, you can input a picture of a rabbit to a computer and produce an output after performing a sequence of steps. Here, the output is a description of rabbit. But how? Computer breaks down the process of facial recognition into a sequence of simple yes or no questions that helps the computer to decide what is the output. Similar to reading a flowchart, the computer starts at the top of the decision tree and answers each of the questions based on its input until it gets to the bottom and produces the output. Imagine your goal is to make a decision tree that is able to distinguish these four different faces. You have to ask some yes or no questions, but what questions would you ask? Think about a question that splits the root of the decision tree into two groups of two. Pause the video and think about it. Do they have black hair? We'll split the faces into two distinct groups. Now, what would be the single question that you could ask to narrow down to a single face? The question, are they wearing glasses? If holds true, will give us the left face and all it belongs to the left face as an output. But if the answer to the question is no, the computer will give the right face as an output. The real power of decision tree is their ability to ask different follow-up questions based on the answer to the previous question. Computers can make mistakes because they rely on decision trees designed with limited data and information. For example, a computer can be fooled by a picture of broccoli and think it's a tree because the decision tree is focusing on a placement of green pixels in one particular way.